The Lord your God is with you, the mighty warrior who saves. He will take great delight in you. In his love, he will no longer rebuke you, but will rejoice over you with singing. Today, I rest in this truth. God rejoices over my children with singing. His love for them is deeper, stronger, and more powerful than anything I can imagine. Even when I can't be everywhere, God is with them. Even when I don't know what they're feeling, He understands their hearts. I trust my children to the God who loves them more than I ever could.